Get ready to upgrade your kitchen with 10 best kitchen must-haves on Amazon that you'll actually want. From game-changing appliances to genius space savers, these gadgets make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. Stay tuned to find your next must-have. Let's dive in. The YASHE Panini Grill Press is your go-to kitchen essential for quick and tasty meals. Equipped with a drip tray to catch excess oil, it keeps your food healthier and your counter mess-free. With 180-degree flexibility, this grill adapts to all your cooking needs. Grill sandwiches, meats, and more with ease. The 1200-watt high-power heating ensures fast, even cooking, saving you time. Featuring an effortless non-stick coating, you can press 2 slices at once for a delicious meal in minutes. And when you're done, cleanup is a breeze. Just wipe with a cloth, and you're ready for the next creation. Fast, easy, and mess-free, the perfect addition to any kitchen. The Ninja NC301 CREAMi ice cream maker lets you turn almost anything into ice cream with ease. Just prep your ingredients, freeze for 24 hours, creamify, scoop, and enjoy. Transform simple ingredients into decadent treats like smoothie bowls, sorbet, light ice cream, milkshakes, and mix in masterpieces with total control over flavors and textures. With Creamify technology, the Ninja CREAMi shaves through frozen ingredients, creating an incredibly smooth and creamy texture every time. Whether you crave a rich indulgence or a healthy alternative, this machine makes it effortless. Simply freeze, creamify, scoop, and enjoy. Homemade frozen treats have never been this easy. Take control of your baking with the OXO Precision Batter Dispenser. Perfect for pancakes, waffles, crepes, cupcakes, and more. Just squeeze to dispense the right amount every time, while the drip-stopping valve ensures a mess-free experience. No wasted batter. Get every last drop. The wide opening makes filling effortless, and when you're done, the detachable valve allows for easy cleanup. Whether you're making breakfast or baking treats, this precision tool guarantees perfect portions with zero hassle. Plus, with OXO's better guarantee, you know it's built to last. Upgrade your kitchen game with the OXO Precision Batter Dispenser. The Ninja SLUSHi 3-in-1 frozen drink maker is the easy, convenient way to make frozen drinks at home. No ice, no watered-down drinks, and no blending required. Unlike traditional blenders that leave ice chunks and inconsistency, the Ninja SLUSHi delivers a perfectly smooth texture every time. Just pour, slush, and enjoy. With 5 one-touch programs, you can make frozen margaritas, chocolate milk, milkshakes, refreshing slushies with your favorite juice, and more. Whether it's a hot summer day or a cozy night in, this machine ensures perfect results from morning to evening. Say goodbye to complicated frozen drink prep and hello to effortless, delicious treats with the Ninja SLUSHi 3-in-1. The Cuisinart 5-in-1 Panini Press and Griddler is the ultimate kitchen companion, offering unmatched versatility for all your cooking needs. With reversible plates, you can easily switch between a grill and griddler, making everything from crispy paninis to juicy burgers and fluffy pancakes. The dual temperature control lets you fine-tune the heat for perfect results every time. Cleanup is effortless with its dishwasher-safe plates, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Whether you're grilling, griddling, or pressing, this all-in-one appliance delivers convenience, precision, and delicious results in one sleek design. When you're something special, every ounce matters. The Etekcity 0.1 g food kitchen scale is designed for ultimate precision, giving you accurate measurements down to 0.1 g increments, so you can create anything with confidence. Need to switch between units? It's effortless. Choose from Oz, LPOZ, FLOZ, water milk, G, and ML, water milk, for total versatility. The tare function allows you to subtract the weight of any container, making your measurements even more precise. Whether you're weighing ingredients for baking, meal prep, or portion control, this scale covers it all, handling weights from 1 gram to 5,000 grams. Plus, cleaning up is quick and easy, so you can focus on what really matters, creating delicious food and making lasting memories. Get ready to weigh anything with one user-friendly scale and enjoy precision, convenience, and reliability with Etekcity. The KitchenArt 57010 Select a Spice Automeasure Carousel is the ultimate space-saving spice organizer. Featuring 12 removable spice compartments, each holding 4 and 5 ounces, it's designed for easy refills with a see-through window for quick identification. Measuring 8.25 by 9 by 6.5 inches, this compact unit fits inside cabinets or mounts underneath for a clutter-free kitchen. With 55 spice labels included, organizing is effortless. Plus, the auto measure feature dispenses a precise 1/4 teaspoon with each click. No measuring spoons needed. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this carousel keeps your favorite spices at your fingertips for quick, precise cooking every time. The KitchekShop coffee mug warmer brings effortless heating in just 4 seconds with a visible temperature display for ultimate control. A one-touch start makes warming simple, while 4 temperature settings let you enjoy your drink at the perfect heat. Need precise timing? The 1 to 12-hour timer function allows you to freely allocate time while keeping your coffee, tea, or even scented candles warm. Designed to fit most cup sizes, this warmer is easy to clean and blends seamlessly into any space. Stay warm, sip comfortably, and enjoy every moment. The Nostalgia 6-cup electric fondue pot lets you serve hors d'oeuvres, entrees, and desserts in style for any occasion. Start by adding your chocolate to the fondue pot, then place it onto the heated base. Adjust the temperature control to your desired setting, ensuring the perfect consistency every time. Use the fork rest on top to keep your dipping tools handy, and get your fondue party started. Craving something savory? Host a cheese fondue party and dip bread, veggies, or meats for a delicious experience. With its sleek stainless steel design, this Nostalgia electric fondue pot is a must-have for fun, interactive dining that brings people together effortlessly. The Peach Street 500-watt Immersion blender delivers power and precision with one-touch operation, making blending smooth and easy. Equipped with an ultra-sharp 4-point stainless steel blade, it effortlessly purees, mixes, and blends your favorite ingredients. Need extra power? Hit the turbo button for a boost. Whether you prefer regular or high-speed blending, this device adapts to your needs. The special splatter-proof head ensures a mess-free experience, keeping your kitchen clean. Available in stunning colors like red, blue, ice blue, steel, purple, green, and white, it not only performs flawlessly but also adds a stylish touch to your space. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or sauces, this blender is your perfect kitchen companion. That's a wrap on the 10 best kitchen must-haves on Amazon. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the coolest kitchen gadgets. See you in the next one.